Welcome to 2-Minute Tuesdays. I'm Gabe, and in this series we'll give you tips and tricks for rigging with Kondor Blue. Today we'll keep it light and simple by grabbing our Magsafe Recording Module for our iPhone 15 Pro and Pro Max. Unboxing it, you can see it comes with the module itself, a 1.5mm hex tool for removable ARRI pins, and a 5-inch USB-C cable. Making sure your USB-C angle cable is facing toward the right so it could reach the phone port. Insert the straight end of the cable into the module. Now to mount it, we will first plug in the cable into the iPhone Pro Max and then allow Magsafe to do the rest. This also works with Magsafe compatible cases. Now although the cable does work with Pro Max size phones by bending the cable after the connection port, some of you have requested a slightly longer cable, so we will be updating the included cable to reach the Pro Max with more ease in future batches. And feel free to reach out if you would like to replace yours for the newer, slightly longer cable. Now let's grab either our SD card or CF Express Type B card, depending on what you choose, with a Type A coming soon. And before moving forward, make sure your card is formatted with either APFS or exFAT prior to use. And you can see once everything is plugged in, it automatically populates and shows up on the screen, ready to record in 4K ProRes HQ in Apple Log. Although you can shoot on the native camera app, we highly recommend downloading and using the free Blackmagic Cam app since it gives you more manual control over your image and recording settings, all in a very intuitive and easy to use interface. Just make sure to select your card as the storage options in the menu like this. Now just like that, you're ready to record professionally from your iPhone 15 Pro or Pro Max. And if you have any questions about our Magsafe recording modules or want to see how to hard mount it to cages or clamps, leave a comment below. And that's it for our 2-Minute Tuesday. If you like this style of content, follow us for more, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.